Hello friends, welcome back to my civil engineering page and bar bending schedule learning series. In this learning series video, we will understand how to prepare the bar bending schedule of isolated footing. So let's start without letting. We see determine the reinforcement of an isolated footing of dimension 2800 mm into 2800 mm into 500 mm in thick with clear cover of 50 mm and bar dia is 12 mm. Assume spacing 125 mm center to center. Now we see in this drawing footing size is 2800 mm and thickness is 500 mm and spacing also given here 125 mm 12 mm bar center to center. So start total. Firstly we calculate total number of longitudinal bar. For this we have to calculate length of footing minus clear cover into both sides divided by spacing plus 1. We got the value 23 numbers. Again total numbers of lateral bars, or you can see also x direction or y direction. Width of footing minus 2 into clear cover divided by spacing plus 1. We know that this is the isolated footing of a square type, so we got the value same for longitudinal bar and lateral bar. 23 numbers. Cutting length of bar, total length minus 2 into clear cover plus height minus 2 into clear cover minus 2 into 90 degree bend. We got the value 2 meter 2252 mm in total length. Now length of all bar, we know that 23 numbers in longitudinal in x direction bar and 23 numbers in y direction bar. So we calculate the length of all bar. We know the length of one bar is 2252 mm into 46. We got the value 103 meter 0.592. Total quantity of bar in kg. We know the formula d square by 162 into total length. After this resolving the point, we got the value 92.081 kg reinforcement bar for the footing of size 2800 into 2800 mm footing. If you want to become a best civil engineer, join with my civil engineering page and learn BBS and all things related to civil engineering. Thank you.